Hi, I'm Brian with ApplianceVideo.com. Today we'll take a look at an overview and diagnostics on this Electrolux Perfect Steam Dryer. This is Electrolux's Perfect Steam Dryer. It is the largest capacity Electrolux dryer at 8 cubic feet. It also features an 18-minute fast dry cycle. Some of the common things on this dryer to take note of would be the heater. It's a common failure part used on many different Electrolux dryers. Also,
click on the link below to view this repair video. ApplianceVideo.com guides you step by step, giving you the confidence to avoid recalls and callbacks, also saving time on repairs. Whether you're up against an uncommon repair or the latest appliance on the market, our videos have been created with you in mind. Our growing library of videos have been produced using our factory-certified technicians who have extensive infield experience over the past 30 years. ApplianceVideo.com provides high-quality repair videos that anyone can follow, regardless of their skill level. We are here to help. Click on the link below to view this repair video and let us help you do it right the first time.